Ventanilla community, the Carlota storm passed. It was a hurricane category 2, almost 3. I just want to say that this place is a beautiful place. It got damaged, but still beautiful. And with the time, the nature is going to come back. Our Mother Earth is so generous, and it's always going to stay here because it's too many things to see. It's the ocean right here, the humidals, and all the natural things, birds, a lot of different kind of birds and different animals. And the most common thing in Ventanilla is the crocodiles. And the lagoon is full of crocodiles. It's safe, and it's a great. I see turtles, and it's all about life, marine life. From the sea, sometimes we can see the dolphins and the whales from the distance. But we had the opportunity to. We invite you to come to Ventanilla. Even we have a bad experience this time, but it was a short time, the bad experience. The nice